Hello everybody, this is Amanda Cranfill with Hillsdale Real Estate Group. Today I'm at my new listing at 250 South Claybon Drive in Advance. This property includes a 6.5 acre lake, an A-frame home with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a third area in the loft that could be used as another bedroom area. It does have a finished basement recreation room with a fireplace and a wonderfully updated kitchen. As I move around here, we may catch a glimpse of Buddy the Duck. He will be staying with the purchase of the property. There is a outdoor fire pit area, along with some storage building and other features of the home that you'll see throughout this video.
It'll always stay like that for a little bit. Yeah, you can get on Amazon.
What you got? Let's see what you got. Ooh, that's a nice one.
Hey Mom, can we buy that duck? It comes with a free house.
I love my assistant, and I'm so glad he could be with me at 250 South Claybon Drive in Advance. If I may show you this home, please call or send me a text anytime at 336-462-3823.